Welcome. In this video, you'll learn step by step how to unmute accounts on X, formerly known as Twitter, using the web version on your PC. If you've muted someone in the past and want to start seeing their posts again, this guide will walk you through the entire process using the latest update. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to the X website, which is x.com. Sign in with your account if you're not already logged in. Once you're on your homepage, look to the left-hand menu. You'll notice several icons there. Click on the one that says More. A list of additional options will appear. From there, select Settings and Privacy. This section is where you can control everything from your account preferences to your privacy tools. Next, go to Privacy and Safety. This is where X keeps all your settings related to content, safety, and visibility. Within that menu, you'll find a section labeled Mute and Block. Go ahead and click on that. This is where you can access both your muted and blocked accounts. Then choose Muted Accounts. Here you'll see a full list of the profiles you've muted in the past. Now look for the account you want to unmute. Next to each name, you'll see a small speaker icon with a muted symbol. Click on that icon and just like that, the account will be unmuted. You'll immediately start seeing their posts, replies, and notifications again, depending on your settings. If you accidentally unmuted someone, you can always return to this same section and mute them again whenever you like. That's it. You've successfully unmuted an account on X using the web on your PC. The process is simple, and following these steps helps you manage who appears in your feed without missing updates from people you actually want to hear from. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to check out the rest of the channel for more quick tutorials on managing your experience on X and other apps. Thanks for watching.